Hi friends, kind of a fun little project I'm playing with this morning. Last year I painted a champagne bottle with the cork shooting out and all this fun metallic pink champagne kind of, splashing out. This year I had another idea and I'm just going to paint this little cup here, or this little champagne glass. And I think I'll go ahead and outline it for you just so you can see it. But I just did a pretty simple drawing here of a wine flute or whatever glass. I think it'd be really cute with a martini glass. Then the base here, just something like that. And there we go. Okay. So we've got our little glass here, and I'm going to use, you can use your 8 Princeton Velvet Touch. You know, I love these, that velvety touch, short handle, and really snappy. I'm going to be using my brush set, my 8 round, and it's also short and very snappy. But if you didn't have an opportunity to get those, you can definitely use that 8 Princeton. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go along here and maybe create a little like shine on the glass. So I'll use, let's use just a tiny bit of maybe Payne's Gray or black, just to look like a shadow. Let me get some of that on my palette here. So I've got some Payne's Gray here. Where did it go? Nope. I use it a lot, so let me grab some of it. There we go. A little bit of... And I'm going to really water it down so that it's quite light. And then just draw a little bit of a shadow here. Very, very light value, meaning that I've probably got about, I would say maybe 80% water and 20% pigment. So just kind of wanted to do a little shine there, maybe even do a little on the bottom like that. All right, but here's the fun part. I thought how cute and fun to use a little Q-tip. So I'm going to give myself some pink champagne here. Let's just, and I think what I'll even do, I just had this thought. So I'm using my MeiLang palette, you know, my favorite palette, that student palette. Got quite a bit of water in there. And then what I'm going to do is add on some of my, and you could add any metallic in there, or you don't have to have any metallic at all, but I'm just going to add a tiny bit. This is the cocktail series from MAB. So I'm going to mix that in there. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that fun? See how it moves and shimmers? I just love that. Okay, put the brush away, wash it real good, and I'm going to use that. But here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a Q-tip because I'm just going to make it look like there's a bunch of bubbles in this glass. I mean, how fun is that? And you could do all different colors. I might even use a little bit of the pink by itself. That's fun. Anytime I can use the sparkles, you know I'm all over that. Look how cute and how easy. I don't want to completely cover it up, so I do want there to be some white spaces in there. Look how fun that is, and it's got a shimmer and a sparkle to it. And then I think what I will do next is just take some of that paint. Let me grab my toothbrush And I'm just going to do kind of as if it's like got an effervescence to it. And let's just, ooh, look at that. Isn't that fun? And then we might even add some splatters in there. Let me grab my 8 brush, get some of that pink on my brush. Just love the pink sparkles. And then I'll do some splatters for some bigger bubbles maybe coming out of my glass. And look how fun that is. So I'm pretty much done. You can always add a little background if you want, but I think, you know, simplicity is always wonderful in watercolors. But you could add some fun splashes in the background, something like that. And I'm loving the metallics, of course. I mean, New Year's, isn't that all about the bling and the fun? And then let's just go up here. I'll add a little there, get my water in there before that dries. And that helps also bring out the shape of the glass. Maybe we even want to add some of that turquoisey blue. Let's get some of that. Just really plain here. Ooh, looky there. Isn't that fun? We could do some gold. Like that. Just using quite a bit of water there. And now I think what I'll do is add in some gold. How about if we try and add some gold in with those little bubbles, those little champagne bubbles? Let's try that. See what that looks like. You could use silver too. This is the Gold Series by MAB. Ooh, look at that. Yes, love it. That is so fun. I don't even drink, and I'm thinking, ooh, I like a glass of that. Maybe put some little bubbles. Oh, there we go. That's what it needed. Look at that, how fun. Could even put some here. I mean, do whatever you're feeling, but look how fun that is. Maybe even add a little bit of this gold down here. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, that's what it needed. If I really wanted to go crazy here, I could pick up some more of that gold and do some splatters. But I'm really liking the bubbles. I think that's really cool. Maybe do a little line. Oop, need a little bit more paint here. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh, and I am done. And if you're good or you have a stamp, you could stamp on here, Happy New Year's, celebrating the first, the first of the year. And I'm done. So have fun with that, and I will talk to you all soon.